In a small town, Dr. Jones decided to try telemedicine. His first patient, Mr. Smith, was skeptical. "How can you check my knee through a screen?" he asked. Dr. Jones, with a grin, replied, "Just show it to the camera." Mr. Smith awkwardly lifted his leg, knocking over his lamp. "Oops," he exclaimed. Dr. Jones chuckled. "Well, at least your reflexes are good." As they laughed, Mr. Smith's cat jumped on the keyboard, ending the call. "Guess the cat's cured," Dr. Jones joked. Mr. Smith laughed. "Next time, I'll keep the cat away." Hit like, subscribe, and comment.